Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis on Nvidia, ticker NVDA. So this is going to be the last analysis video for today. It is currently down near enough 1% on the day. So what are going to be these key support and resistances that we're paying attention to on Nvidia? So the key thing firstly to note is, where are we currently sitting? We are sitting near that 52-week high. We're sitting around that $275 mark. Obviously that 52-week high is at 280. So what is happening firstly on the other side? I always like this. Again, I don't really trade specifically off it, but I do like it as kind of an indication, which I guess is the main way you should be using indicators anyway. But we can see on both that 6-month and both that 1-year chart, it is trading at a divergence. Obviously we didn't actually end up breaking that high, but you know, we got very close, and it's still on the other side really not that close to where we were before. So I think even if we did hit into that high, we are probably going to be trading at that divergence, which is kind of just showing this momentum to the upside is definitely getting weaker, which could signal that bit more of a reversal. And also, key thing to be noting, what levels have we hit? So on the 6-month chart on the video, we hit that first deviation. We got that pullback. Wasn't that overall reversal that we were looking for, but again, still provided a positive trade opportunity playing that pullback. But then on the 1 year, we can see we hit that second deviation. We pulled back. We kind of even gapped down on that. So quite a big move again. Trading at that pullback was profitable, but now it looks like we're coming back to retest it. So even though we're trading at a divergence, I would be a bit more prepared and kind of just risk concerned, because if we come back into this level, there is a bigger chance that we break it. The reason for that is, again, if you keep pushing to a level, there's a reason for that. The buys are trying to break it. Even though we are trading on weaker momentum, I would still just be a bit careful. Or if I do want to take it short bias, maybe just use a bit smaller size than I would normally be using. But yeah, for right now, I guess, and the key focus is 283. If we can push to that high again, I still will be looking at it short bias, probably just a bit smaller size though than normal. And the reason for that as well is just tech is quite strong at the moment. Today though, tech is pulling back, but overall, the past week, the past month, tech has been performing quite well. So again, if the overall sector is still performing well, Nvidia will still move with that, and I mean probably is helping lead it. So just, yeah, be paying attention to that. 283, I'll probably take smaller size short, but still expecting a pullback. But again, just be a bit more risk concerned on that move. If we did break that though, then really the key focus is 320. Again, quite a big move. I don't really think we'll see it anytime soon, but if we did, I just wanted to note it. 320, second deviation on the 6-month, and our third deviation on the 1 year. Especially on these large caps, these third deviations, you don't really see a move past these levels. So really that's where I'd be looking to hit it short and be hitting it quite heavy. So if we can move that high, that's main focus. Again, where we are now, looking to take a small size, but I'm not looking to take anything too massive as of right now. And so yeah, that's kind of the main focus. If we start to pull back, support target would be around $244. That's our first deviation on the 1 year. And if we start to break that, again, to me, the stock becomes untradeable for a bit, because at 232 to around 205, we come into our statistical mean. And again, statistical mean is fair value. If you've watched this channel before, or you understand standard deviation channels, this fair value area, again, if we're traders, there is really not much of an edge, because it's a bit more of a gamble in the direction it will come out here. It usually doesn't follow technical signals all that well, and will instead rely on some sort of a fundamental catalyst to move it to the up or downside. And again, that's why I maybe trade to it. So if I'm holding it short bias now, that would be my absolute final target, but I'm not going to open a position coming into that level. So I guess that's a key focus I'd be looking at on the video right now. Again, if it starts to pull back, I probably wouldn't touch it, or I'm not going to be touching it at all. If we can start breaking to these highs again, I'm looking just to kind of play the reversal on it. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video.